Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Style for Jenny. Hope you are doing well. I'm Jenny and I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So today's video is all going to be about some of the best lip tints for pigmented lips and for dusky skin on no makeup days. So yeah, let's get started with the video without any further delay. The first lip tint is one of the recent launch which I'm really obsessed with right now because it looks like my lips but better. So this is the Etude House lip tint. It is the Indian version, limited edition Indian version shade which is called Mocha Mantra. So it's a beautiful neutral brown shade which is going to be so beautiful on any skin tone, almost any skin tone. But if you're deeper than me, you will need a brown lip liner, but from fair to tan to medium deep skin, and if you're around my skin tone like NC 45-46, then this would look like a very beautiful, again my lips but better kind of a lip shade, very beautiful everyday neutral brown shade. So this particular formula is very lightweight, hydrating. It is a matte lip tint but it feels hydrating. It is not at all drying on the lips. The pigmentation is buildable. I really love the shade, the performance, the quality and how it feels on my lips. Like, it's great for everyday use overall. So I would give this a 9.5 on 10 and I absolutely love it. The second lip tint is from a Korean brand which I absolutely love, and it is from Romandy. It is their Juicy Lasting lip tint. I have the shade Dark Coconut. I have to definitely speak about this shade, guys. It's a very beautiful chocolate brown shade that's going to flatter on any skin tone so well. Even if you are deeper than me, without any makeup and a lip liner, it looks so good on you. With just this lip tint, you will be good to go. Yeah, I really love the shade. Speaking about the formulation, again it's very lightweight formulation. It leaves a beautiful glossy hydrating finish which I really like. Even after a meal, if the glossy finish fades, it leaves a slight tint behind which I really love, and it feels like it looks natural, and that's what I love about it. Though the stain is not too pigmented, it's like very natural flush of color on your lips. It's just like that. And yeah, except for the price, I absolutely love it, but if you can afford it, it is just so good. This would get a 9 on 10. The third lip tint is from an Indian brand which I really like, and it's Earth Rhythm. It's their lip and cheek tint. First of all, I must definitely appreciate this beautiful cute little packaging which is travel friendly as well. And speaking about the shade, it's called Cherry, I guess. I'm not sure. The label has been erased, and this is the second bottle, and that must say how much I like it, right? So I've been using it for years and it's just so good. And this shade is buildable. As you can see, it's quite a good bright red shade. You can feel how can I wear a bright red shade for everyday use. You can just apply 3 dots on your lips, smudge it with your fingers, and you'll be good to go for that sheer lip tint kind of a finish. But if you want that bold red, bright red, you can also use this as it is like a lipstick and you'll be good to go. So shade wise, pigmented wise, it's so good. Formulation, it's a very good, again lightweight hydrating formula, quite long lasting, not that much, but for reapplication and for everyday use, it's just so good, and this would get a 8.5 on 10. Next is a lip tint which I really like, and that's what I'm wearing right now. It's one of my favorite lip tint, super affordable. It's a very steal deal if you can get it, and it is from Mars Cosmetics. It's called their Velvet lip tint. I have the shade One Love. It's a very beautiful brown shade. It looks so good on any skin tone. Again, if you're deeper than me as well, it will work so well on you. No makeup, no lip liner, nothing, and this would look so good. I really love the shade, the formulation as well, and yeah, it's a very good hydrating lip tint. Again, it feels matte when you look, but it is very good hydrating. It does not dry out the lips at all, and the packaging, again very good little travel friendly packaging which I really like. The tint is again buildable. It's quite well pigmented. If you want a good tint like this, you can just use it like a lipstick, or else just dot 3 dots and just smudge it with your lips like to look like a very natural looking tint. So everything about it is just so good. It's quite long lasting as well. Even after a meal, it leaves a slight stain behind which looks really beautiful. Yeah, this would get a 9.5 on 10. Next is a very beautiful product that I really like, and I'm literally obsessed from the day I started using it, and it is from Tipsy Beauty. It's called their Pout Cloud Matte Lip Balm. A lip balm which is matte. ooh, that looks interesting, right? But it definitely works. It is a matte lip balm, but it works like a lip balm, like it's very hydrating as well. It does not dry out my lips. It does not nourishes the lip like a lip balm, but it hydrates my lips. There's a difference between hydration and nourishing, right? So this particular shade, which is called Strawberry Soffle, it's a very beautiful subtle pink shade which looks so good on our dusky skin even without makeup. This is how it looks like on me without any lip liner as well. So I really love the shade. The formulation is like a very whipped moussey formula which is extremely lightweight. It leaves a tint behind. It is not completely transfer proof. It slightly transfers, even though after a meal, after it transfers, it leaves a beautiful stain behind, which I really like. This would get a complete 10 on 10 for the shade range, for the price, for the formulation, for the performance and the quality. Everything is just mwah. So last but not the least is one of my favorite lip stain again. It's from ELF Cosmetics. It's their glossy lip stain. First of all, just look at this beautiful black pretty packaging, guys. It is matching to my outfit today and I really love it. Though the size looks tiny, the price looks quite pricey for me, but if you have budget, you can definitely give it a try because it's so worth it. The shade is called Spicy Sienna. It's a very beautiful red shade. It's a very neutral red shade which will look absolutely gorgeous on any skin tone. So formulation is like a very lightweight hydrating formula. It provides a beautiful glossy finish which I really love, but even after a meal or two, or if you wipe it off, the glossy goes, but the tint stays behind, which looks absolutely so good. Everything about it is so good except for the price, right? So I would give this a 9 on 10. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next and share this video with your friends and family. I will leave all the product links along with the names in the description box below, so you can definitely check them out. And if you like to watch such long form review videos, makeup tutorials, fashion hauls and much more, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon so that will be notified when I upload new videos. Until next time, bye bye.